Let's follow the step how to make colorful gradient outline text effect like this. First, prepare the black background. Lock layer 1 and add a new layer. Prepare the text. Right-click and create outlines. Go to Pathfinder and Unite. Press Shift-X. Selection. Go to Gradient, click and set Stroke on Front. Activate Gradient. Change color. Add some new gradient color. Set the angle. Change stroke thickness. Finish. OK. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, so YouTube will recommend this video to other friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to get the latest video updates from this channel. Thank you.